What? Did she say behind the line? Is that what she said? Was she saying... Was she telling me to be behind the line?
See, I find it interesting when you put these two situations together. I hope you stay behind the line, like giving me shit because I was, what, 10 mil over the line? And then you tie together this situation, and it's like, that's why you kind of get the shits. That's why it's kind of frustrating when someone tries to give you crap about being over the line when you're filtering.
It has been a couple of weeks, so I thought I'd better do a bit of an update just to say hi. How you going? What's been happening? Heaps, which is why I sort of haven't had time. Finally got the dirt bike registered. Ready to go. I do need to do a carby kit on it and a couple other bits and pieces, but ready to hit the dirt. I just got to figure out where that dirt is. Oh, come on, dude. Calm the farm. It's traffic, love. It's amazing how impatient people get. Oh, you're a dick. You are a bag of dicks. Thanks, mate. Love when people do that sort of sneaky block where they pretend to not block you, but they're blocking you. Yeah, who would have thought? A 10-minute ride is still enough to cop shit from people. I'm not sure how much you're going to be able to hear of this, but thought I'd give it a shot. Anyway, the dirt bike is now registered. I've finally got it registered. There was a few hurdles to jump over, a few bits and pieces that weren't quite right. Replaced all the indicators. Horn switch didn't work. The horn was fine once I put it back on, but the switch didn't work. Replace that. What else did I do? Basically put everything back on it again. Needs a carby kit, so I bought one of those. Chain guard. A whole bunch of little bits and pieces. But the biggest one was the fact that the compliance plate was missing. This has been registered before, but the compliance plate was gone. I don't know where it was, but so I had to get a replacement, and that was 70 bucks. I had to ride all the way out to Penrith, to Sutto's KTM. They're one of the only ones that can get compliance plates from. So anyway, got that done, so pretty happy about that. Tell you what though, it takes a bit of getting used to. Still feel a bit unco on this thing compared to the other, compared to the MT-09, but kind of getting used to it. Keeps revving too high when you're idle. Sometimes it revs high, sometimes it revs low, which could be the mixture of the carby, but could be the idle mixture, but I think something's just worn out in the carby somewhere, so I'll rebuild the carby and then we'll see how it goes after that. But yeah, she's ready to roll. So yeah, update is, all is good, everything's happy, everything is good. Looking forward to some dirty rides. Any other Sydney siders, you know any good places to ride a dirt bike, you know, sort of adventure riding style, let me know. I'd love to check out some places. I love the idea of sort of, I'm not necessarily looking to go full dirt bike MX style sort of, you know, short track stuff. I'm looking for sort of, let's try and get to this location type stuff. That makes sense. So anyway, let me know any places you think would be cool. Any places you know that nice little spots to ride a dirt bike. Anyway, until next time, Stay safe, have fun, see you guys. What?